welcome back to this channel. We're going to start doing some questions involving tangent and normal. So we know tangent is a straight line touch the graph at one point. Can you see my? So there's a tangent, which is in black. And there's another one, so this is the tangent, then the normal is perpendicular to the tangent. So they are at the same, obviously, at this point. So we need to decide intersection point first, because this point is on the three functions. One is the tx, the other one's the nx, and the next one's the fx, which is we got coefficients on that. So today we're solving this question. This is an interesting question. Before I go ahead, so just remind everyone to subscribe this channel. So we want everyone, if you like the video, like the channel, to help you to revise the math for math exams. So it's a time to do that. So take advantage of subscription so you can get all the videos, 140, now 49th videos. So that's a lot of videos. Okay, let's do that. All right, first I'm going to find that intersection point. So I'm going to join those two functions together. So make sure we're solving for linear equation. So the x is -2. So then we find the y is -1. So therefore, -2, -1 is on the curve as well as on the tangent on the normal. So now with the next one, we're going to find the a and the b. So we're going to we need to do simultaneous equation. First, at x equal to -2, sorry, the derivative function must be equal to the gradient of the function. So gradient of tangent is it's +2. So therefore we substitute the derivative function, which is 2ax plus b. So we substitute -2 into the left-hand side, right-hand side is 2. So we establish first equation. But we can't solve until we got second equation. Second equation tells us the curve has a minimum turning point when x equal to -4. So at the minimum turning point, the first derivative must be equal to 0. So therefore, first derivative, we replace the x with -4. So we got second equation. Then we solve them too. So 1 minus 2. So we get a is half and b is 4. Substitute back to the equation. So therefore, we substitute into the original equation. So we're only missing c. So how do we find c? We replace. So because we got another condition is -2 positive, -1 is on the fx. So we substitute into the function. Then we find the c is +6. So the final fx solved. All right, so this is a pretty straightforward question, but except that you need to find that the intersection point. So I'm going to use highlighter. So this is the key. And also using the turning point derivative. So there's two different derivatives. First is the derivative when the x equal to -2 should be +2. The other one is 0. All right, Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us the thumbs up and I'll see you next video. Bye.